Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we're going to show you how to use the Accelerator application, which is a free speed reading application available at accelerator.com. Now this is an application developed by Iris and it helps you read faster on the computer screen. So I'm just going to show you very quickly the basics of how it can be used in this video. First of all, you simply copy and paste the text you want to read in this text box right here. It's got some sample text right now. I'm going to delete that, and let's just take a very short article just to give you an idea of how it works. Let's go to the world's finest source of news, which is The Onion. Some of you might be familiar. And let's say we want to read this article, very short one here. Report, watching episode of Downton Abbey counts as reading a book. All we do, and I purposely chose a very short article, we highlight the material that we want to read. We simply copy it, go back to the tab where Accelerator is, paste that content into the box, you hit read, and then you simply click play and it'll read it for you. Okay, so we just read through this within Accelerator. Now, a few things I want to make mention here. This is the default setting. It'll blink one word at a time. However, I would recommend starting with at least 2 words at a time. If you go into the settings here, you'll notice that you can change how many words you want to blink at a time. We can change that to 2. And we could also change the reading speed. That was going at 300 words per minute. You could set this to whatever you want. And the reason why I don't recommend doing 1 word at a time is because if you start increasing your reading speed, blinking 1 word at a time is really tough to keep up. If you start getting into 4 or 5, 6, or even closer to 1,000 words a minute, it gets really, really tough. I'll show you an example here. If we change it to 400 words per minute, 1 word at a time, this might be a little harder for you if you're just learning speed reading. Now, you might be able to get it, but you almost have to try to not blink. And watch how much easier it's going to be if I just change this from 1 word to 2 words. It's still 400 words a minute. I'm going to change it to 2 now, and it's going to be a lot easier. It's going to appear to blink more slowly, even though it's going at the same speed, 400 words a minute. Let's try it out. You probably noticed it's a little easier there, and for those of you, if this is too fast, it's maybe because you're just getting started. Utilizing this kind of a method of reading is a great way to start learning how to read faster on the computer screen. So I've showed you how to copy and paste, how to adjust your reading speed in here, how to adjust the chunk size, and there's some other settings here that you can check out as well. In this video I just wanted to show you the basics. You can change the font color, the window width, the height, but that is the basics of how you use Accelerator to read faster on the computer screen.